Hello everyone, welcome to the Educon Community Aptitude series. In the previous video, I have discussed on the problems on trains and I explained some important formulas which are required for the problems on trains. Now in this video, means in part 3, I will discuss about some sample questions on the problems of trains, and I will explain these sample questions, and I will provide the solutions also. So continue with us. Okay, read the first question. A train running at the speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? So convert the kilometer per hour to meter per second. So 60 kilometer per hour means 60 into 5 by 18. 6 3s are 16s are, that is 50 by 3 meter per second. Okay, and the length of the train is the speed into time. So what is the speed? 50 by 3. Okay, and the time is 9. So 3 3s are 9, so 150. Okay, so option D is right. Clear? So go to the next question. A train 125-meter long passes a man running at 5 km per hour in the same direction in which the train is going in 10 seconds. Same type of question. So convert 5 km per hour into um, meter per second. So firstly, see that the speed of the train relative to man. Okay, a train 125-meter long passes a man running at 5 km per hour in the same direction in which the train is going in 10 seconds. So the relative speed of the train to man, relative speed train to man is 125 meter per 10 seconds. Okay, that is 25 by 2 meter per second. Okay, so this is 25 by 2 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, 2 nines are 18, 5 fives are 25, that is 45 kilometer per hour. Okay, let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. So the train speed is, suppose, x kilometer per hour. Okay, then what is the relative speed? Relative speed is x minus 5 kilometer per hour. It is the relative speed. So x minus 5 equals to 45, as 45 is the relative speed. So x is 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, so the speed of the train is 50 kilometer per hour. Option B is correct. I think it is clear to you. Okay, next question. The length of the bridge which a train 130 meters long and traveling at 45 km per hour can cross in 30 seconds is, means the length of the bridge. Okay, so 45 km per hour means 45 into 5 by 18. 9 twos are 9 fives means 25 by 2 meter per second. Okay, and the time is 30 seconds, so t is 30. Okay, let the length of the bridge, suppose length of the bridge is x meters. Okay, so and the length is 130 meters, so train length plus bridge length divided by time is equals to 45 kilometer per hour means 25 by 2, so 215 is 30, then 130 plus x equals to 25 into 15. Okay, so 15 5 is 5, 375, so x is nothing but 245 meter, so C is the correct choice. Okay, is the length 130 plus x means the train have to cover the train length and the bridge length, so 130 plus x, which is in 30 seconds, so it is the speed. Okay, now coming to the next question. Question number 4. Read the question. Two trains running in opposite directions cross a man standing on the platform in 27 seconds and 17 seconds respectively, and they cross each other in 23 seconds. The ratio of their speeds is. Okay, so let this let the speeds of the two trains are x meter per seconds and y meter per second respectively. Okay, then length of the first train, length of the first train, length of the length of the first train. Okay, it crosses in 27 seconds, so 27 x meter, and the second train length is 17 y meters. Okay, they are in the opposite directions, so the total length by relative speed 27 x plus 17 y. Recall the formula, a plus b by relative speed opposite direction, so u plus b, so 27x plus 17y by their speeds are x meter per second and y meter per second, so x plus y. Okay, so this is 23 seconds is the total length, 27x plus 17y, and it is the relative speed, so we got the time from here, so this is 23. Okay, so 27x, 23 into x, 23x, so minus 23x equals to 23 into y, 23y minus 17y. Okay, so 4x equals to 6y, so x is to y means 6 by 4, which is nothing but 3 by 2, so 3 is to 2 is the answer. Okay, so go to the next question. A train passes a station platform in 36 seconds and a man standing on the platform in 20 seconds. Okay, If the speed of the train is 54 km per hour, then what is the length of the platform? So 54 km per hour means 54 into 5 by 18. 18 3 is a 54. Then 5 into 3 means 15. So write in one line 15 meter per seconds. Okay. So the length of the train. So the length of the train. Length of the train. How much? 15 meter per seconds in speed and covers 20 seconds. So length of the train is 15 into 20. So 300 meter. Okay. Let the length of the platform. Suppose the platform length of the platform, that is x meters. X meters. So x total length x plus 300 length by time. Time is 36 seconds. A train passes a station platform in 36 seconds. So length by time means speed. This is 15. Okay. So 15 36 are 540. So x equals to 540. 15 into 36 is 540. 540 minus 300 is 240. So x is 240 meter. So option B is correct. Okay. Now see the next question. A train 240 meter, okay, long passes a pole in 24 seconds. How long will it take to pass a platform 650 meter long? So the speed is 24 240 meter per 24 means the speed is 240 by 24 means 10 meter per seconds. Okay. So the required time is how much? Train length is 240 meter and the platform length is 650 meter. So the train will cover 240 plus 650 total length by speed. So how much? 54989. 890 by 10 means 89 seconds. Option B is correct. Now next question. Read this. Two trains of equal length are running on parallel lines. Okay. It means in the same direction at 46 km per hour and 36 km per hour. The faster train passes the slower train in 36 seconds. The length of each train. Okay. Equal length. The two trains length are equal. Okay. So let the length of the each train is x meter. So total distance will be covered. Total distance. Total distance covered. How much? X plus x, that is 2x. 2x meters. Okay. What is the relative speed? Relative speed is as they are in the same direction. So the relative speed is 46 minus 36, that is 10 kilometer per hour. Okay. So 10 kilometer per hour means 10 into 5 by 18 means 15 by 18 meter per second. Okay. Means what? Okay. 15 by 18. Okay. Now total distance is 2x meter and the faster train passes the slower train in 36 seconds. So 2x by 36, this speed is equals to 50 by 18. 18 2s are 36, 2 to cancel out. So x is 50. Okay. The length of each train is 50 meter. Next question. A train 360-meter long is running at a speed of 45 km per hour. In what time will it pass a bridge of 140 meter? Okay. So speed is 45 km per hour, means 45 into 5 by 18 meter per seconds. We already converted the 45 km per hour into meter per seconds in previous questions. So 45 into 5 by 18, 9 2s are 18 and 9 5s are 45. So this is nothing but 25 by 2 meter per second. 45 into 5 by 18, 9 2s are 18, 9 5s are 45, 5 into 5, 25 by 2, 25 by 2 meter per seconds. Okay, total distance covered, how much? Total distance covered 360 plus 140, that is 500 meter. This is total distance. Train length plus bridge length. Okay, 500 meter. So the what time of what time there is distance by speed. So distance is 500 meter by speed is 25 by 2 means 2 here 20, that is 40 seconds. Okay, it's very easy question. Now the next question. Two trains are moving in opposite directions at 60 kilometer per hour and 90 kilometer per hour. Their lengths are 1.10 kilometer and 0.9 kilometer respectively. The time taken by the slower train to cross the faster train in seconds. Okay, so the relative speed is how much? Relative speed is 60 plus 90 is 150 kilometer per hour. Okay, so 150 kilometer per hour means 150 into 5 by 18. So 3 6 are 350, 2 3s are and 225 is a 50. So 25 into 5 equals to 125 by 3. 125 by 3 meter per seconds. Meter per seconds. Okay. And the total distance is 1.10 kilometer plus 0.9 kilometer, that is 2 kilometer, which is 2000 meter. Required time is how much? Required time is total distance divided by relative speed, means 125 and 3 will be here. 25 5s are 25 8s are 200 and 0 5 16s are and 16 3s are 48 seconds. So option C is correct. Now the next question and the last question for this video. A jogger running at 9 km per hour alongside a railway track in 240 meters ahead of the engine of a 120 meters long train running at 45 km per hour in the same direction. In how much time will the train pass the jogger? Okay. So the speed of the train relative to jogger is 45 minus 9, that is 36 kilometer per hour. Relative speed of the train to jogger. 36 km per hour means 36 into 5 by 18, that is 10 meter per seconds. And total distance covered is 240 plus 120, that is 360 meter. It is the total distance. So the time taken is 360 total length by relative speed, that is 36 seconds. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and get connected with Educon community for getting such more videos. Thank you.